Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals faster with online surveys. These surveys offer a simple way to make money and are provided by top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so it's essential to consider these factors when choosing the right platform for you. To maximize your earnings, ensure you complete your profiles thoroughly, seize free offers, and focus on surveys with the highest payout rates. Additionally, implement best practices such as setting up a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Beware of warning signs that may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and challenging qualification processes. It's important to note that surveys for money are legitimate, with each survey typically taking around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or bonus points as incentives. Companies value your input and compensate individuals to participate in surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.